roaring. Risking our iPads here to do this video for you guys today. I'm just going to show you some fireworks just in case you can't go to a bonfire and your parents can't do it. Then you've got them on the screen. You can watch them halfway with your favourite. They're actually risking stuff so you can get a bit of a bonfire experience if you've never been to one, which everyone should literally be to one. So guys, I'll pause the video when there's more fireworks. So guys, we're back after that great pause. Just thought I'd come and record the beautiful. This is my bro, everyone. Look. Here's a YouTube channel. Snapchat. Snappy chat. Just in case you want to add him. Snap focus, light focus, plug. Warrior 10, no spaces, no caps. And that's his Snapchat, so in case you want to add him on there. Shall we show us the TikTok? We'll show you Instagram and TikTok. So you get it. The idea. Sorry guys, I was about to. Really? No YouTubers get that? Yeah. It's popping. Over there, it's popping. Right, come on. TikTok. Wait, let's load it up. We'll pause the video in a bit, bye. This is my brother's TikTok. The Kieran at Kieran Halligan YT16.
No caps and no spaces.
That's his TikTok. Just
also,
in case.
This is my Instagram.
And if you want to go follow him on Instagram, here's his Instagram.
Look.
That's my YouTube and my Instagram right there. So that's his YouTube.
Kieran Halligan.
Yeah.
Capital K, capital H, space between
YouTube.
Kieran and Halligan.
That's his YouTube.
And then
Kieran
Keys
Halligan. And at the top, it's actually his Instagram name is Keys is spelled like KIEZER, and it's 485. No caps. That's his Instagram, and his YouTube is Kieran Halligan with both caps on the names. There you go. I just plugged my brother. Please go do everything on that, please. And also do it on me, okay? I'll leave my Instagram in the links below and my Snapchat so you can add me on those, and my TikTok as well so you can follow and share the love with me.
Shut up now and stop spoiling the vid. Enjoy it because many people cannot go to bonfires,
Which
like
is
us.
I'll pop.
Some people just really can't.
Look at that firework, guys. What colour was it? Tell us down below. Tell me if you can hear a banging noise from far away, if you can see a fire. And extra credit on Kieran, and which he's vlogging right now. Here's a bonfire, guys. Enjoy it, enjoy it. Plug in every day. I'm just going to say, for on Kieran's channel and mine, for an extra point, what is important about the 5th of November? Why do we celebrate bonfire night? Comment down below on both of these channels. Whoever gets it right will get a next shout out in our next videos. So that's your challenge, guys, to tell us in the comments why celebrate bonfire night and why it's bonfire night and why it even means it. That's your challenge for today. Comment down below. If you get it right, in the next video you'll get a shout out. I'll see you in a minute. Bye. So guys, let's have fun and watch these fireworks. Happy bonfire night, by the way, if I didn't say that already. So guys, I think I'm gonna leave the video here. I hope you all liked. I hope you guys usual, and also I'll leave down below my Instagram and TikTok. So go follow me on there, and also add me on Snapchat. So yeah, see you later. Bye.